Today, we're delving into the world of digital assistants with Fliki AI. Fliki AI is an innovative software designed to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. It's typically used by professionals, entrepreneurs, and businesses to automate tasks, manage projects, and boost efficiency. Let's explore its features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and current alternatives.
Let's take a quick look of Fliki AI's main features. Task automation. Fliki AI empowers users to automate repetitive tasks and workflows, allowing them to focus on more strategic initiatives and increase overall efficiency. Project management. With Fliki AI's project management tools, users can organize tasks, set deadlines, assign responsibilities, and track progress seamlessly, facilitating collaboration and driving results. Natural language processing. Fliki AI utilizes advanced natural language processing algorithms to understand user inputs and provide contextually relevant recommendations and insights, enhancing productivity and decision-making. Integrations. Fliki AI integrates with a wide range of popular tools and platforms such as Slack, Google Workspace, Microsoft Office, and CRM systems, enabling seamless connectivity and data synchronization across the ecosystem. Personalized recommendations. Fliki AI leverages machine learning algorithms to analyze user behavior and preferences, delivering personalized recommendations and insights to optimize workflows and maximize productivity. Advanced analytics. Fliki AI provides robust analytics and reporting capabilities, allowing users to track key performance metrics, identify trends, and make data-driven decisions to drive business growth and success.
Fliki AI offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. The free plan includes basic features and supports up to 5 users, while the premium plan starts at $29.99 per month per user and unlocks additional features such as unlimited users, advanced analytics, and priority support. The enterprise plan offers customizable solutions for larger organizations with pricing available upon request. Users praise Fliki AI for its intuitive interface, customizable workflows, and seamless integration with existing tools, making it easy to adopt and incorporate into existing workflows. With Fliki AI, users can streamline their processes, collaborate efficiently, and achieve their goals with ease. The pros of using Fliki AI include its powerful task automation capabilities, comprehensive project management tools, intelligent recommendations, seamless integrations, and robust analytics. However, potential cons may include a learning curve for new users and the need for customization to fully leverage its capabilities. Alternative digital assistant software to Fliki AI include Trello, Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp. Each platform offers similar functionalities with varying features, pricing structures, and user experiences, providing users with options to find the digital assistant solution that best fits their needs and preferences. Be sure to check out some of our reviews on this channel of some of these products. In conclusion, Fliki AI is a versatile digital assistant software designed to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and drive business success. With its powerful features, intuitive interface, and seamless integrations, Fliki AI empowers users to automate tasks, manage projects, and make informed decisions with ease. Sign up for Fliki AI today to revolutionize your workflow and take your productivity to new heights. Don't forget to subscribe to EasyInternet for more insights and tips on optimizing your digital tools and workflows. Thank you for watching.